defeat procrastination today. Welcome to our guide on overcoming procrastination, a common challenge that can hinder your productivity and success. Ready to take control of your time and tasks? Start by identifying why you procrastinate. Is it fear, perfectionism, or simply feeling overwhelmed? Understanding the root cause is the first step. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Smaller tasks are less intimidating and can be completed more easily, giving you a sense of accomplishment. Prioritize your tasks based on importance and deadlines. Focus on what truly matters and tackle high-priority tasks first to build momentum. Set specific, realistic goals for each day. Clear, attainable goals provide direction and prevent you from feeling lost or discouraged. Create a distraction-free environment. Limit social media, unnecessary internet browsing, and other distractions that can derail your focus and productivity. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat to maintain high levels of concentration and efficiency. Reward yourself for completing tasks. Positive reinforcement can motivate you to keep moving forward and make the process more enjoyable. Finally, be kind to yourself. Overcoming procrastination is a gradual process. Celebrate small victories and be patient as you develop better habits.